Hello and welcome to our latest MES tool release highlights, summer 2023. And today we're going to look into the MES model and refactor more. And that's why Alex is here with me. Hello, Alex.
Hello, Jan.
It's nice to have you again. And I'm really looking forward to look into what's new for the MES model and refactor version 4.11, which is the latest version. So if we have a look into the tool update newsletter, then we can see that have been a number of additional features and improvements with regard to the layouting function in model and refactor. That's the auto layout and the refine layout functions. And we are talking about the optimization of block heights, a general improvement of placement of parts in the model layout and a progress bar. But Alex, I think the best is to just have a look directly in MoRe and have a look how all the features work out.
Yeah, I would be pleased to show you the new improvements to our auto layout functionality. Let me share my screen.
Great.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so all our improvements to auto layout are because of customer requests. And so first of all, we did an improvement to the block size increasement. For example, you have constellations like this, and you have a small bus selector here and bus creator here in front or after such a subsystem. This is commonly seen in a lot of models, and we had the request if our auto layouter could maybe increase the size of these bus selectors so it would look nicely. And in the old version, our auto layouter couldn't do this, so it looks kind of like this. But in the new version, as you can see here, we automatically increase the size of such blocks, so you get a better layout. It's limited to blocks like bus selectors and bus creators, so you have blocks with multiple outports or imports that go to the same block or come from the same block and only one source or destination here. So it's quite limited at the moment, but in this cases you get really good results. If you don't like it, you can deactivate it over the preferences like always. So it's here, you can just set this to false if you don't like it, but we really think it's a really nice new feature and it has a really good result on our test models, and I think our customers would like these improvement.
It looks really nice, and it very much reduces line bands, right? Because
Yeah,
this is something that can be really bothersome. Cool.
Yeah. And the next improvement is a positioning of separate components. For example, this is really messy here, and you can't see it, but let me just auto layout the first one here. So you can see this is a separate component here. This has nothing to do with the rest of the blocks, but our old auto layouter maybe placed it in the middle between the other components, so it gets more tidy here and it requires less space. But yeah, it's not the result that we normally see on customer models, or so it's a bit messy here. And the new one is much better. It gets separated, so you have less line bands here, of course, and you can clearly distinct the separate components from the other components.
That really improves visibility here, else that part would be really hidden on in the old version.
Yeah. And last but not least, we got the feedback that sometimes on big models, our program seems a bit unresponsive because you don't get feedback that the process is running, and our customers were asking if the process is already running or not. Did I already click? So we implemented a process bar here, so you can see that the process is working here and something is happening, and you know that you have clicked something and you are not waiting for nothing. This is only activated if it's running for a while. That's the reason why you didn't saw it before in the other examples, because they were so fast. But here are some more blocks, and so the progress bar appears and you see something's happening.
Yeah, there was quite a large model. And then there's some things to calculate also before the before the auto layouting works, where to place everything. So it takes some time. Yeah, super nice. So it's a very nice small feature, but it really helps a lot with when you wait and you think, is something happening? Isn't something happening? That you know you're still on, and soon there will be a final nice layout with more.
Yeah, sometimes you press just the hotkey and you think, have I already pressed the hotkey or have I pressed the wrong one? And yeah.
All right. Great. Well, thank you very much for these insights here. And it's really new and very interesting features. And everybody, the latest version is 4.11, and soon there will be also 4.12, because the Model Refactor development still is releasing quite often with additional new features, mostly on customer requests. So that's a really nice thing. And if you like to check out the newest version, please contact us for a download, or download the tool via the link in the tool update newsletter. And if you don't know more yet, please check out our website and have a look at Model and Refactor. Thank you very much, Alex, for joining me today.
Thank you for your time.
And for showing all the new features. And I'm looking forward for next time, and where we have the next talk about upcoming new features. So thanks a lot.
Bye.
Bye-bye.